My name is Kaleb Now, how to show you how to shoot a basketball. Now, shooting a basketball is a little hard, I would say, because you have to have the most perfect form, or else it's gonna look like this. That was the worst form I ever done in my life. But I'll teach you how to not look like that, basically. So, there's two types of shooting in basketball. There's long distance and there's short distance in the paint. Now, I'm at long distance now, and it's gonna require a little bit of a different form. So what you're gonna have to do, since I'm right-handed, my dominant leg is gonna go over my left leg. And if you're left-handed, it'll be vice versa. And so, it's gonna help me point, it's gonna point towards the basket. And you're gonna have your dominant hand be the force hand. The force is what drives, is how powerful you shoot the ball from each distance. If you want to try to shoot from all the way here, that's gonna require much more force. But if it's like from here, you say, it's gonna require a lot of less force. But here, it's gonna require like a little regular, like moderate force. Your left hand is gonna be your guiding hand, and it's gonna be on the side of the basketball, while your right hand is gonna be on the back, on the bottom, just like this. Your guiding hand is as it says, it's gonna guide the basketball to the hoop. And so, it's gonna look, your form is gonna look like something like this. So, and the basketball is gonna be kind of over your head as well. And so you can see, and so you can aim to the basket. And while you're shooting, you should bend a little at the knees so you can get a little bit more power in your shot. So it's gonna look something more like this. And last part is the flicking the wrist. And the wrist helps the ball kind of like move towards the basket, which is helping with force. And so you don't want your ball looking like this. Instead, you want to look like this. That's how you see the spin on the basketball, which is what you want. And so your form is going to look like this. Even though I miss, some of the best basketball players like LeBron James have the perfect form, but they still miss. And that's okay to miss. Last but not least is how to shoot in the paint. We already talked about long distance shooting. Now this is short distance shooting. Shooting in the paint or in short distance is called a layup. And now I'll teach you how to do a layup. It's gonna go a little bit something like this. You're gonna take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, and shoot. And a little more advanced way, it's gonna be like this. Now, it's also important not to take more than 3 steps when you're layupping. If so, it's gonna be a travel, and the other team's gonna have the ball. Or you can lay up just a little bit simpler, just by turning. Just like that. And now, that is how you shoot a basketball from long distance and from short distance. My name is Kaleb, and thank you for listening to my speech.